In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to clear cookies here on Brave browser. So cookies are some little information websites save about your preferences, details about you, so that the next time you visit the website, it will integrate more seamlessly. So if you want more privacy and less storage, all you have to do is on the upper right corner, click the three vertical lines, go to settings, and then on the left side, go to privacy and security. Click delete browsing data. So here you can choose whether last 15 minutes, last hour, 24 hours. So of course, the longer the time frame, the more would be deleted. So more data will be deleted from your device, so it will be faster. So if you're only concerned with cookies, you can just click this one and unclick other things, or if you want them, it's up to you as well. And then all you have to do is delete from this device. And as you can see, it is now deleted. Thank you and see you in the next video.